Morty! Willie! Well, just tell everyone to get on a break down the canteen. Free break.
There you go.
We're a local company who employ local people who work globally and are growing massively and are doing very well in the industry and in this country, and making a point that engineering and fabrication is still thriving in this country if you know the right people and have the right skills and the right training facilities, that it can work and it can be very successful. For the local community, obviously what we're doing is we're in a town 7 miles north of Newcastle called Cramlington, and we do a lot of initiatives like we go to schools, do open days. Yeah, we're offering people apprenticeships, which last year we took 4 apprentices on between the 4 businesses. The year before we took 5 on. Well, obviously most of the people that behind us that are working, you can see, are all from the local area. So, you know, we've got 45 people in total across the 4 companies working for us, and I would say probably out of them 45 people, 39 of them are within a 12-mile radius of this factory. So, you know, it's keeping the local business. And then off the back of that, we've got, well, you know, we're spending over £2 million a year on materials, which all get sourced locally. We spend over £100,000 a year on overheads for the factory, for vehicles. All, once again, that is money going back into the local economy. You know, proving that, like, if local areas can start small businesses, and I firmly believe manufacture things, which is one of the main things, is make something themselves rather than buying in a product, then there is growth for it. We still can compete with the rest of the world easily, and one of the main things, and I will stress this, is we'll also still make the best products. You know, the quality of what we make, and I've been around the world and seen products made in China, no disrespect. I've seen products made from India, Malaysia, everywhere. The British products still withstand the test of time far better than all the other ones. So yes, they might cost a little bit more money, there might be a little bit more goes into the manufacturing of these things, but you get a better product in the long run, and I think that is starting to come through in the marketplace again. That quality goes before the price sometimes, especially in the engineering industry, in the petrochemical industry. So we are ISS Group, once again comprising of the 4 companies, and we also do a lot of work with the 5th arm of the company, which is a company called ThinkPrime. ThinkPrime is, we came across because obviously everything that you can see behind me, everything we do, we need to ship, and we were having a real lot of problems in the northeast of England, finding a company we could work with who not only would collect the stuff, but also would keep us informed of where it was on its route, when it was going to arrive, making sure it arrived in a good condition. And that was a real major problem for our 4 companies, finding one person who could do that. We came across ThinkPrime, and we've started working with them, and what we've found over the last 6 months, they're a very modern, innovative company who try to have a different look on your logistics, rather than just picking something up and then you find out it's arrived when your customer tells you they've received it. They try to look after the product from collecting it right up until the point where it's delivered. You are getting emails, you're getting informed of what's happening with the product. The pricing's brilliant. They've got a huge structure globally for looking after the logistics. So whether you want someone going to Singapore, whether it's going to America, they've got partners in them countries who are looking after the logistics of that. So you haven't got to go looking for a good price. They can go out, find that for you, collect the items, take care of it, inform you of where it is at all times, and then your customer receives it, and it's always a good job at a really good price. So I think, you know, ThinkPrime have been a real asset for companies in A, reducing the costs of logistics, and B, reducing the cost in us having to find good logistic companies. So that they're a really good, reliable source.